A tree saw is a specialized cutting tool designed for trimming, pruning, and felling trees. It comes in various forms, from manual hand saws to powered chainsaws, each tailored for different types of jobs. The basic principle behind a tree saw is its sharp, serrated blade, which is specifically engineered to slice through wood fibers efficiently. Whether you're trimming a small backyard tree or cutting through thick, stubborn branches in the forest, a tree saw is your best friend when it comes to handling wood. For smaller trees or branches, a simple hand saw with a long blade and coarse teeth can do the trick, offering control and precision. For larger trees or more serious cutting tasks, chainsaws are often the go-to, with their motorized power making light work of even the toughest wood. When choosing a tree saw, it's important to understand the different types and their uses. Pruning saws, for instance, are designed for delicate cuts and shaping, making them ideal for gardeners who want to maintain their trees without damaging them. Bow saws, with their curved blades, are great for faster, rougher cuts and are often used to clear thicker branches quickly. The granddaddy of them all is the chainsaw, which comes in gas, electric, or battery-powered varieties and can cut through large tree trunks with ease. Each type has its strengths, so picking the right one depends on the job at hand, your experience level, and your comfort with operating different tools. The real fun of using a tree saw comes when you feel the blade slice through wood like butter, and you realize how powerful and efficient these tools are. But it's not all fun and games. Understanding proper technique and safety is crucial. Always ensure the blade is sharp to reduce the effort required in sawing, and make sure you're wearing protective gear, especially when using power saws. And here's a pro tip. When cutting a large branch, make a small notch on the underside first to prevent the bark from tearing, and then cut from the top. This keeps the tree healthier and the cuts cleaner. With a good tree saw and the right knowledge, you'll be able to tackle any tree cutting job with ease and confidence.